Hello everyone, just thought I'd do a quick update video on the progress of the new signals in Beaumont. As of now, they have all the new houses, control houses set here at Langham Road. In fact, they just set the one here for the crossing the other day. Most of the conduits are in, although I don't think the ones for the crossing are all in yet, but they got this new guy here yet. They added some stuff to the pole. Got one control house. They got two control houses here for the control point. As you can see, the old signal house for the crossing was kind of getting to be in need of replacement or at least a re-leveling. Like all these people to pass. And then there's another control house for the control point way over there. Monks, hold on a sec. All right, and then they got they're doing a second power pole here too. Surprised they didn't just keep it the way it was before, where they had, because they already had one power pole there with stuff on this side, and then these other stuff on this side, these cameras that they have for watching the crossing for the remote control, because they run some remote control locomotives on this track right here from the yard, from the hump in the yard. And so they have cameras here and on that side over there, so they can, and they have a little monitor screens there at the where the operator sits, so they can watch the crossing as they get close out here, especially because this is a quiet zone. That's why they got the curbs here. But that's about it. Just thought I'd do a quick little update. Looks like they're doing Langham Road first, and then I guess working their way eastward through town, because not much has really happened at the others. The other control points, other than them putting in the new power poles like that one for the electrical service from the utility provider. All right, that's gonna be it for now.